Welcome back. In this video, we will go over the histology of the spongy and compact bone. We will point out the similarities and differences. The compact bone, which is right here, it consists of osteons. These are the osteons, also called the Haversian system. Let's zoom on one osteon. This is an osteon, also called the Haversian system. It consists of rings. Each ring is called a lamellae. At the center of the osteon, we have the central canal, also called the Haversian canal. These spaces right here are called the lacunae. In the lacunae, we find the bone cells, which are the osteocytes. The bone cells, they have multiple cytoplasmic projection. For that, we have the canaliculae, which are these small canals that radiate from each lacunae. These canaliculi, they receive the cytoplasmic projections of the osteocytes. This right here is one lacunae. We can see the canaliculi. Perpendicular to the central canal from each osteon, we have the Volkmann's canal, also called the perforating canal. One of the main functions of the bone connective tissue is that it stores calcium, it stores other minerals. So for example, when the calcium levels in the blood drops, the body will release the hormones that will resorb the bone to release the calcium that is needed. Another function of the bone connective tissue, it provides levers for the muscles to act on. Also, we have two types of marrows in the bone. We have the yellow marrow and we have the red marrow. The red marrow, it is the blood cells forming marrow. Moving to the spongy bone. The spongy bone, basically it looks like a sponge. It consists of trabeculae. So one of the main differences between the compact and spongy bone is that in the spongy bone, you don't see osteons. Instead, you see the trabeculae. This is a lower magnification where we can see also the trabeculae. The spongy bone also has a lacunae. So right here, we can see the lacunae. These are the spaces where the bone cells reside in. In the spongy bone, we find the red bone marrow. The red bone marrow, it is the blood cells forming marrow. Notice how this is a cluster of cells. Each dot represents a cell.